Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aisha, and today I'm doing a full face using e.l.f. kinda sorta. Certain products I don't have of e.l.f., so I'm gonna be using different stuff. But for the most part, it's e.l.f. products. So let's do it. Alright, the first thing I'm gonna do is use this palette, Mad for Matte palette. It's okay colors. I would not normally use these colors. Except for the colors I'm using for transitioning. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is use those two light browns for my transitioning color. Okay, next I'm using a darker brown right there for my creased area. Alright, now I'm using this peachy pinkish color for my lid. You guys, it was extremely hard trying to do this video because I have allergies and my eyes was watering the whole time. And this palette, I'm using that purple, by the way. This palette is really, it wasn't working for me. Now I'm going in black. I'm just gonna go ahead and just do the outer part of my eyelid and wiping all that fall out. I mean, it's bad enough my eyes was watering, and here comes all this fallout from this palette. Thank you, e.l.f. Thank you. So I didn't have an eyeliner, so I'm just using my Mary Kay eyeliner because everybody knew I love Mary Kay. So yep, using the eyeliner from Mary Kay. And also mascara, didn't have any for e.l.f., so I just used MAC mascara. Moving on to foundation. I'm using the color Cocoa. Just using one pump. That's all it really takes for me. This is actually really full coverage. A little bit goes a long way. So I'm just going to dab this up here. Next, I'm using the e.l.f. concealer in medium. I didn't know if I should go darker, but I guess this one was okay. It's really, really creamy. By the way, I know you guys see I only have one earring on. Yeah, I didn't know that. I did not notice that at all. But yeah, I'm just going ahead and blending this all together. Just blend, 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 dap, dap, dap. Next, I got the highlighter with the bronzer. It is the Baked Highlights and Bronzer. So since I didn't have any contouring, I'm just gonna try and contour with the bronzer. I really didn't do anything, to be honest with you. It just, yeah, as you can see, there's no difference at all. None. And y'all, this whole video, I'm telling you, like, my eyes were watering. It was messing up the eyeshadows. Like, it was already hard enough. I'm telling you. So I had to stop the video every so often and touch up the eyeshadow. But yeah, I'm putting the highlighter on. The highlighters, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Alright, next I'm using this e.l.f. lip gloss in the color Burgundy. Even though you couldn't hardly see it good. Don't worry, my camera is going to focus back in. I really like this lip gloss though, y'all. I really do. Alright, I'm taking the color Nude. And I'm just going right there in the center on top of that burgundy. See, I'm telling you guys, I was going crazy. My eyes just dripping. But, yep, this is it. This is my finish results. This is what I came up with. So, yeah.
All right, you guys, that was a kind of full face in a way using e.l.f. products. Most of the brushes were e.l.f. as well. But overall, my two favorite products from e.l.f. has to be the foundation and the concealer. These are bomb. They are bomb. Like, they don't come off like most foundations do. They do come off, but they don't come off as much as most foundations do. But I like it. The lip glosses, they don't get on your teeth like some do. That's one reason I kind of like the lip glosses too. They don't last long. I mean, it's just cheap lip gloss. It's cute. But yeah, that is my full face kind of sorta doing e.l.f. products. Thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos. Thank you. Bye.